Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today we're taking a closer look at the Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort Adapter, a compact yet powerful tool designed to bridge the gap between your HDMI devices and DisplayPort displays. First off, let's talk about connectivity. The Belkin adapter allows for seamless, lightning-fast connections between DisplayPort-enabled devices and HDMI displays. Whether you're connecting a laptop to a monitor or syncing up your docking station, this adapter does the job with zero fuss and zero lag. Now, for all you content lovers out there, this adapter is HDR and HDR10 compatible. That means it delivers incredibly vivid colors, deep contrast, and a viewing experience that's immersive and cinematic. Perfect for streaming high-quality content or editing vibrant media. Gamers, listen up! This little device supports 4K gaming at 60 Hz, giving you smooth visuals and top-tier resolution without compromise. Whether you're into fast-paced FPS titles or open-world adventures, the Belkin adapter ensures your gameplay stays crisp and fluid. It also plays well with others. The adapter supports a wide range of HDMI and DisplayPort-compatible devices, from projectors and HD TVs to laptops and docking stations. It's a versatile option for both work and play setups. Best of all, it's plug and play. No drivers, no extra power needed, just connect and go. And with HDCP support, you can stream protected content securely, ideal for Netflix, Disney+, or any DRM-heavy platform. To wrap it up, the Belkin HDMI to DisplayPort adapter is sleek, reliable, and performance-driven. Whether you're a gamer, a creative, or just need a simple way to connect your tech, this adapter delivers serious value. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gear reviews right here on Alltech. Catch you in the next one.